Steam inhalation, also called steam therapy, is the need of the hour. Let us get into the video. Materials required: water 3 liters. Make sure you have half the portion of the vessel is free so that you will get steam. Neem leaf, tulsi leaf handful, karpuravalli 3 leaf, ginger small finger length size, turmeric 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, carom seed 1 teaspoon, of sliced lemon, headache pain balm a pinch. Mix all these ingredients to the water. Turn on the flame. Add sliced lemon with skin. Close the lid. Let it boil. Once it boils, add a pinch of headache pain balm before turning off the fire. Now start your steam inhalation. Drape towel or thick bedsheet over the back of your head and inhale it.